man, good night. Welcome to Global Watch Media News. Tonight is my first edition of Global Watch Media News. Alright, so please like, share, you know what I say? Tell a friend for tell a friend. At it again. Alright. Tonight we come to talk about, for the news, we come to talk about the death of Naya. Because this is my first segment, I have to do a segment with Naya. Especially because the ending of December and New Year's, and the video where him do projecting say a whole heap of people dying and them not live to see the New Year's. Unfortunately, him was one of them too. So yeah, we're gonna take a look at the video by him and figure it out, and him brother Akeem, because these are the two brothers that been accused of killing Naya or put in motion of killing Naya. So we're gonna take a look at this video. We'll be right back.
Party boy, we are call my name. I'm not see him, dog. Me I tell you, I'm over there. I'm so show you a screen record. I'm over there, call me. Listen to me now, dog. They see them little boy they when I'm ready. Damn, no business about no people in the comments.
Why am I the drag name tonight too?
Tell Naya me with them things for real, yeah? Coming up, bad man. Tell her you have to stop calling my name over there, so here. Adopt me a bum buck like this.
Yo, where you call up my brother name for? When in your life I call up my brother name for? Oh, you love mix up some pussy, I want you.
What me say about your brother name?
Brother, the man get the screen recorded and I want you. I saw your life I scratch you.
I'm calling name.
I see your life I scratch you, bro.
I'm calling name. You want the screen record? I'm calling name.
Give me a screen record.
Yeah, I'm say Akeem in my mouth. Yeah.
You love mix up.
Me see what I call your brother name.
Naya, you go get hurt, you know.
Don't laugh with my dog. Can't come and see what I call your brother name.
You go get
alright, now you get my friend dog. I don't want to get hurt, bro.
You go get hurt, you know, bro. You see them what you do, you need to top. You see what you do, you need to top.
Oh, you shake your dog as a warrior. Where you run for? Inform. You still like to tell me that. Where you run for a while ago?
Naya, go on. How you want them?
Hold on, don't dick something. Yo, Charlie, let me tell you something. You hear, brother? Me I tell you something straight, killer. Bad man, I am Jay a player, here. You see your big waist, soft pussy, body boy people them over there. Uno no call me name, dog. You see it? Cause we get ugly charge, you don't even know. Uno top call me name, brother. Uno play no match. Uno top call me name, brother. Top call me name, bro. Me no run joke. No boy can't talk to me like how uno talk to them. Me no run joke. Uno low me name, dog. Low me,
boy.
Boy,
listen to the boy. I'm also angry. Look a boy. Yo, figure it out. Where you say? Where you say? Do you jump? Go kick off to the bad now. Go kick off.
I don't know, like watching the video, looking at these two brothers, there's something strange about them. But me now I just judge a man and say them I will wait till everything come out. Unfortunately, they are in custody right now as we speak, inside of the police custody. So the police question figure it out and tell him that he wasn't, a person of interest. Only to let him go so he can make Akeem come back so they can rearrest him and Akeem. So now both of them is inside of the jail, locked up, and being waiting their time to go to court for the hearing of Naya's murder. So let's move on. Let's take a look at this next video with this lady was trying to warn Naya. She was supposed to be a reader woman, but Naya wasn't taking heed. So, unfortunately, he didn't realize what this lady was trying to say to him until it was too late. So my condolences to Naya family, to him daughter and him mother, him father and the rest of the family. It's messed up the way this you go out, and we're gonna seek justice for Naya in every way we can. Trust me and believe in that. You know what I say? And I'm a person from Waterhouse. So if there is a person from Waterhouse who's the one who create that havoc against Naya and his family, we're gonna get to the bottom of this one way or the other, some way, somehow. Alright, so please take a look at this video of this lady trying to warn Naya. We'll be right back.
Yeah.
We pull it out. Nako shakorobo sataya.
You can see so the lady genuinely a try to warn Naya about him surrounding. And how ironic in the video when she warned him. Bubba was the one who get up and walk away. It's like Bubba guilty from that night on that he was the one that was carrying the weapon that was supposed to farm against Naya that end up arming him. So you tell me what you think in the comment section, alright? So we're not gonna just wait in there. But to me, Bubba is the one that looked guilty. I'm just saying, you know what I say? Alright, let's move on in other news. In other news, one cup of sauce claimed that he had nothing to do with Naya's death or murder. He's an innocent man. He wasn't around when Naya got murdered. He was trying to connect on live and he was at a friend's night. Well, he's a youth were born and grew a Waterhouse. So if the killer come from Waterhouse, one way or the other we're gonna find out. Alright? Because me a big pull of Waterhouse. Big time pull of Waterhouse. You see me? Yeah. I don't know the thing already, so we already know, me no need to explain it. You see it? So if that's the case, we're gonna get to it. If that's the case, we're gonna get to the bottom of this sooner or later. You see me? Yeah, because we have to get justice for Naya. And if Copper Sauce have anything to do with Naya death, and then coming on the internet crying, and I said the people are gonna try to frame him. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy. You know what I say? And then again, him can be innocent, you know, but by your words and your action, you shall surely be judged. Alright? So take a listen at this video and let me know what you think in the comment section. Is this man guilty or is an innocent man? Please let me know. Alright? Look at the video.
Hey, yo, dog. Yo, me no want to come here, so come mix me, dog. Cause me come look for you and kill you just with this alone, dog. Me tell you, dog. I truly not even know you. I tell you, dog. I truly not even know you. Yeah, you. I tell you, dog. I tell you, you. Up, you know what them, but me I tell you, you. Me I tell you, dog. Me I tell you, you, dog. Youth, me I tell you, dog. Me I tell you, youth. Dog, me see some pussy, dog. Youth, don't you know this earth, man, dog? Me see some pussy, dog. I try mix youth and I try mix youth, dog. Me tell you, dog. Me tell you, youth. Best if you don't avoid me over here, dog. Me I tell you, dog. Best if you don't avoid me over here, dog. Cause I don't really know the type of youth I'm being, dog. Me tell you, dog. Me take this personal, dog, and show me that something, youth. Best if you don't avoid me, dog. Yeah, youth? Tell you, dog. Best if...
Yes, in other news, Shalom, the guru, stated that the two better figure it out, and Akeem is the one that's responsible for the death of Naya. Him say him not ask nobody, him not ask Christ, him know for a fact, and him have a message to tell both of them, say if them don't live up by a certain time, they will be incarcerated or somebody will move towards them and do them things. Unfortunately, both of them is incarcerated now, so let's take a look back at this video. We shall have that try one.
The thing I be telling you, go do fuck, I run them and run them man, you know. He don't know where if it done. You look right now, you can't see him on no life. Him a pressure you and I can feel like them don't get way. Then you should have wait telling you this not couple more man like me. Make them panda who, but no, you don't want to kill him, no. You should have wait, make him go and cuss couple more man and couple more man say them about kill him. That means at least they don't know who to blame. No sir, you don't want the blood clot cappings. Cause cap fit, or we cap fit one there. You don't want the cappings, alright, take it. I run in the man, you know. We can't tell anybody say run here, run. This man when you wake up and see fire with your hand up. I run, and I know if it turn right now banana, but we can't tell such a boat here go pan. Cause if how you guard right now over, we not ask you by day done, you know there. They better catch you from now. Cause your body money I spend. Me say by day done, you know there when you wake up and see fire well light. That's why your brother run me before you can know say I'm a penny money, you know. You think you know the money, I just your friend. We make Naya know say, we make Naya know him and a batty business are going. Me say, you better Naya can go why you talk about one, but you better go out them.
Boy, Shalom. I don't know how I go on, but I guess them not supposed to mess with Rasta man because your word come to pass there. You never tell a lie. Both of them end up in a jail. Well, hopefully we can get justice for Naya and the whole thing work out itself. Because Naya death left a whole country and the whole world devastated. You know what I say? Naya was supposed to be the bridge that gap everything together. But unfortunately, his life was taken way too early and he died way too young. I feel it for him, look at daughter him ever come up and his mother. You know what I say? Because the whole family just look guilty about the whole thing. Anyway, moving on in other news. Yeah, in other news, we have a video to take a look at with Naya's father. After the death of Naya, he came and, he took all of Naya's belongings from what Naya had on him as the possession at the time of him death. But my thing is, don't all of these things supposed to be in evidence room, you know what I say, for the police them sort out you are, you know what I say? But anyway, him take them and him gone with them, so people start bash him and everybody has something to say. Take a listen at this video and hear what the father have to say about Naya passing and him there, to claim everything and clear up what's going on with Naya and the death of Naya and what's going on with inside of the family. Take a look at this video and let me know what you think. Please comment in the comment section.
People them on the live here, you don't know. And Naya daddy this, Naya father this. See him back here. See him back here, that the bag where on the scene of the thing. See him watch here, I know the blood them there on it. See him chain here. See blood there if you look good, look. See there? Yeah, and you see ring here. Yeah. I hate this, said way. Still have it. Don't know when I'm gonna pay to everybody. But guess what now? Me I say, heart of love go to everybody. Everyone who send condolences to the family. Saying, I never know say, I saw Naya. I said Naya did love the street drink. I know plenty people who send condolences, never even see Naya, never even know him apart from on TikTok, and then the next man we say Naya that our XYZ. You see me? And based off of the situation, you don't know, so we grieve. You see?
Jaja knows time. I feel it for that could be a Naya fiance from Canada, a ball. She said she wouldn't even forgive God, even if God show up and say, explain to her and tell her what was the reason. She said she couldn't even accept it. I feel it for her still, because I'm young and young love, So take a look at these little clippings and let me know what I think, if it's genuine or not.
I think I will ask God why for the rest of my life. And never will I come to understand it. Even if God himself came in front of me and told me the reason, I don't think I will accept it.
Jano, baby girl, I feel it for you. My condolences to you, alright? Hopefully you can find some solace after Naya bury, you know what I say? And you go back home, you can find a little bit of peace, because I know it's hard and difficult to deal with, but stay strong, baby girl. Alright? In other news, moving on. Other news, TikToker Destiny from overseas who live in Switzerland claim that Naya wasn't an innocent person and Naya used to do a lot of things that people is not aware of. However, where she get her claim from, nobody knows, because this is the first people have heard of this news of Naya being a bad person. I mean, people go through stuff, everybody, learn from their mistakes. I'm pretty sure Naya is not an angel, but the picture which I try to paint about Naya, I don't think it's an accurate picture. Anyway, take a look at this video and listen to what she's saying and tell me if you think she's right or not. Or tell me if you think she's just a hater hating on Naya. Alright? Please, comment in the comment section, let me know. Alright.
Well, I'm not going to talk about Naya innocent. Well, them a walk and do things when night come. The whole of blood clot, them a walk and do things when night come. The whole of them. Nobody know when they lock off them live. Nobody know what they gonna do. When them turn off them live, did anyone know what they're doing? Did anyone know what they're doing when they turn off their lights? Enough of them out here walk and set up people live. Just like Rosalie. That's up there with Morgan. Enough of them a walk and do the things them. And go let them now do the things them. And come on, no come out, no come defend. Sucker no matter. That me blood clot say. Me no sorry for Naya, I deserve it. Dirty girl, and from morning me have on me blood clot black. No girl, no Naya, unu can blood clot tell me what you wear. Me wear any blood clot color in a foreign no blood clot. Me say Naya should I get 55 shots in her head.
Why? This girl her name Destiny not easy. Well, in other news, we're moving on. Well, me just see a video display with Ramesh claiming that I'm done with everybody that's grown. I'm only gonna do things for kids nowadays. So I guess because he might do things for grown people, him feel like him can beat up people and box up people and just get away with it. He never know say the people them was gonna turn on him for the wrongdoing that he was doing. Him think everybody that just side with him. Furthermore, Ramesh, you're not a boss, bro. You're a boss, but not no gangster boss. Alright? You're an entertainment boss. And overstep your boundary. That's why people have to step in and voice them opinion. However, you might not like it, so I hope because you know do things because you're gonna do things for kids now, I hope you don't think you can take advantage of them. Like how you try to take advantage of grown people because you do things for them. People don't listen up to that video here and make me know if what you must say make no sense or not.
Yo, right now the way people wicked, me just get wicked too. I pick me alone, me I help me. Now help no more adults that go with them. Good I forgot suffer for you, but you want to crucify me. Me, a madman. Pick me alone, me I help. That go with them. So it go. Help it.
Well, I mean, I like something you have to take bad things to make joke. Yo, take a look at the video with them two friends and race. Right? I'm going to try to overtake a vehicle and I try to pretend like them a Formula 1 racer. Just take a look at the video and let me know what they think in the comment section. Why if I laugh at them? Alright.
Hi, you know, it's Bobby back again. Promoting live Templar News. Presently, I'm a virgin, Budget. It's on a rest country. It's presently right now in the zone. I don't know if you can talk to the camera right now. But let's check out some of the features. I got the car so intense, like a Mark Schumacher. Blood sisters. With Rasta. What happened? You don't know. But it's blood clot.
In other news, a woman recorded an accident that was committed by a motorist trying to leave the scene of an accident, and the lady make sure she ran him down, took out her phone, recorded, screenshot it, and upload it to the internet for everybody to see. Only for in the video here, this person is a Chinese immigrant who hit somebody from Jamaica, which is a Jamaican citizen, and he's trying to flee the scene of the crime. Now, look at this video and please tell me what you think, because this thing been going on in Jamaica for too long now. The rich people been getting over on the poor by just hitting them and ran, and nothing come out of it. And this been going on for years now. So thank God this lady was on the scene and took out her phone, record the incident, you know what I say, and called them a whole bag, a crowd upon this man so he could not flee. Please take a look at this video and tell me what you think, all right?
His phone! Oh my God! I don't know whose car that is! Where is he? He has to send! You fucking inhumane! Who are you? Open the window! You just knock off the man! You offer help! What the fuck you are, pussy? Come out of the vehicle! You just can't bust the man's face! Who likes to place this? I don't know! You offer it! Him cannot move till the police come! You know what I was? Dog, you wicked, but yo! Not even say make you bring him to hospital, you have to do a bomber clad vehicle that! Pussy! Jesus! Yo, this man, who the fuck is this man? He is fucking wicked!
Jamaican citizens go through a lot, because people come from all over the world and come to this country and feel like, say, them can just come take advantage of the Jamaican citizen. And the only reason why them think that happen is because of the government give them the okay for do whatever they want in the country, but the government never go to the right for do whatever they want with the citizens inside of the country of Jamaica. So thank God to the lady who went up on the scene and recorded the incident and upload it, because these matters need to be dealt with. All right? Thank you. On the next video, this brother went on a trip. I guess he might try to come to America, and he tried to go to Mexico, and him get stuck in Mexico because him can't speak the language. Him don't know nobody, him can't talk to nobody, and him claims him don't eat the food. So him stuck in Mexico and him a cry. Him don't know what to do. Somebody please help him, Jesus Christ. Please, when you take a look at this video and tell me what you think, because this don't make no sense to me. For all of you Jamaicans who's planning on going to Mexico, at least when you can go up on the phone and do is try to learn a little bit of Spanish, when you can communicate with the people that want to go to that country. Because if not, you're going to have a hard time, because the only thing you can eat over those places, most likely, are steak and chicken. Everything else are wild meat or something else like that. So be careful of what you do. Make sure you prepare on yourself before you go up on any endeavors like that. Alright? Make sure you prepare on yourself before you embark on any endeavors like that, my fellow Jamaican people, because what you might go through is not a good thing. Alright? Please take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Alright? We'll be right back.
Guys, me stuck in Mexico and me a try to get out myself out of Mexico, guys. Guys, me not understand nothing, guys. Me a travel around now one side. Murder, me don't understand nothing. Oh, Jesus Christ, me not nobody be talk to me, don't know what them a talk say. Me not know if you eat me carry them food, Lord God Almighty. God, you see Shakian. Oh, God Almighty, Lord God Almighty.
Well, in other news, entertainment news, well, the Freedom Street show was a successful show. However, there was tension in the air as the show progressed through the night. Apparently, Scatterburrell had a problem with popcorn that he never forget about it. And on the night of Vybz Kartel returning to performing in Jamaica, and on a national global scale, Scatter Burrell decided say he was gonna get even with Popcorn. So tension was boiling from behind the scenes before Popcorn was called up to come on stage, and Scatter Burrell looked like him start bar Popcorn because he don't want Popcorn go, because them had a feud a couple years ago because of him woman Aishana. So him decide say him I go take it up now. But my thing is that wasn't professional on Scatter Burrell behalf. You know, because this is a show for Vybz Kartel. This is not Joe Bogdanovich show. Even though Joe put on the show, it's Vybz Kartel name on the show. So therefore, Scatter Burrell, you did not have any talk at all at that show. You see me? Even though your boss put on the show, you didn't have no talk. And for you to try to style an artist that come up under cartel regime, which is Popcorn, the second biggest international star at Jamaica, you don't lost your mind, brother. And I hope when you get this situation rectified before it get out of hand, you know, and cost a whole bunch of people life. Because right now, it's not a good look for Jamaica. You know what I say? So, please, when you take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Alright? Because them even say it was fists thrown, blows was thrown. You know what I say? Scatter Burrell was the aggressor who tried to pull Popcorn underneath the stage and try to fist him up and unroll the camp, step towards him, brawling and deal with him case. That's what's allegedly, alright, because there was no tape showing the actual event that took place. Alright, so make us take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Alright, we'll be right back.
Watching them out, man.
Scatter! Suck your mother, youth!
Could I murder you on another stage?
Fresh drop.
Oh, I know say it easy for some man make certain utterance and get through it. And me as an individual, you normally pay them things, you know. A man can tell me something more than a million times. I'm over that. Because he's a man slow to react. See? However, on this occasion, I know him in the hospital. I've been in the hospital for a while. And a man now take it up on him head. Come tell me you suck my mother in a public space with thousands of people and expect say you can just get thrown under the rug because me is a promoter and me have a lot more followers than them. Enough time artists go up on stage and diss up the promoter and diss up certain people because they know say the promoter have to keep the peace because of film event and them have everything for lose. And I was faced with that situation first time. Big Freedom Street concert, Cartel's return. See? And when I see that individual make that statement loud and proud, it put me in a dilemma right there, so. Because how am I going to address this now? How am I going to address this without mashing up the show? However, he's a man, blood run through my veins, see? I'm enough to deal with things. Man diss me publicly, and drag him under the stage and disrespect him back privately.
Fresh drop.
I mean, tell you something. Could I murder you on another stage? Yeah? If watching them out, man. I found you are not a real man nowadays, because trigger finger option never can, man. What we can do them things. And nobody know me from nowhere. If I pretend like say me and them are enemy or friend and I disrespect me. Because I don't disrespect people. So make it lower than clear, say yo. Anything you depend on that, me depend brother, but make sure say when you do something, it not done. Because all in the 6 feet under the ground, it not done. Remember, I might honor me I talk about. I can't face my son if I'm gonna go jump up on my man. He's a real man. Big up everybody still to turn out for the show. Don't let this be a mar, and the whole project was wonderful. And I respect all the players, everybody on the team, you know. Big up Vybz Kartel. They did everything to make this thing a success. Respect. I'm out.
What I want to know is, how can a Chinese national be able to sell on the street of Jamaica when a Jamaican citizen, that's an Igla, cannot do the same thing at Jamaica, or else the police will take away their merchandise, beat them up, or even lock them up. And these Chinese people is in Downtown Square where nobody is permitted to be on the sidewalk and sell their merchandise, but yet still these Chinese people is allowed to do the things that Jamaican-born citizens is not allowed to do in their own country. Please, somebody look at this video and tell me if this make any sense to you. All right? Things like this need to be stopped, and this nonsense need some attention, because there is no way in hell this could be possible if the citizens of Jamaica is not permitted to do it. Why is a Chinese national that don't born and grow in Jamaica is allowed to do it? Please take a look at this video and let me know what you think. And this is not coming from a racist standpoint. This is from truths and right, because if one can do it, the other should not be able to do it. All right? Let me clarify that up. All right, because I'm not here for the racist stigma. I'm here for truths and right. So take a look at this video and let me know what you think.
Look on the China there. Not even Igla. They won't get a chance to sell on roadside. Watch them. Imagine them get the wholesale them in Jamaica for rent. And the roadside left for black people and then come and take over the roadside. You know, tell me no. Look on them.
Well, in this next video, boy, I'm in our life. If I walk into my house and I see a 40 leg like this eating a rat, I don't know what I would have do. Much less a 40 leg that this big inside of my bathroom. How did he get in there, first of all? And for him to hold a rat and I eat the rat. This is a huge 40 leg. People, please take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Because I am astonished. Wow, if I see something like this in my house, I don't know what I would do.
So then, look how the 40 leg then my name is a 40 leg eat rat, could it? On the size of the blood clad 40 leg, and look how they fuck up the rat, could it? Me blood clad, could it? They fuck up the rat.